Well, students, today I am going to demonstrate a program which will actually help us to do a Python program to input names of n employees and their salary details like basic salary, house rent and convenience allowance, and calculate the total salary of each employee and display. Okay, this is the first phase, and then the second phase we will see how to search it. All right, so that is the thing. So now we are going to that particular program. Okay, over here, so this is the thing, actually program to enter names and salary details of n employees and displays their net salary. Okay, so first of all, what we are doing, we are just taking a dictionary, so which is empty. Okay, d1 equals to dict, also in this way you can take. Okay, and then I equals to 1 and n equals to int input enter number of employees. This is actually the variable, you know how to insert it. Okay, so now while I is less than or equals to n, when I is less than or equals to n, what will happen, we are just inputting the name. Okay, a name input, enter name of the employee and basic int input, because basic HRA and CA. Basic means what, the basic salary. On the basis of that, HRA will be granted and the convenience allowance also will be entered. So all these are of integer type, so it has been taken int as input, enter basic salary, and HR equals to int input, enter house rent allowance, and int input, enter convenience allowance. Okay, that is the thing. So now first of all, then we are making the key of the dictionary, d1 nm basic HRS CA. Okay, all these things, three things will be displayed, and the name, each name will be the key of the dictionary. So in this way you can frame the dictionary, okay, whenever you would like to. Okay, then I equals to I plus 1 also, okay, has been given. So this is an iterator variable. This is for the iteration, as I can say you, iteration. All right, that is the thing. Okay, so now L equals to d1 dot keys. What is this? d1 dot keys. Keys means what? The key of the dictionary. Here name means the name that you are entering. Those are the dictionary keys. Okay, that is the thing. So L equals to d1 dot keys, and then print name slash t slash t. These are the escape sequence. It will leave gap of 6 and 612 spaces between name and net salary. So whenever name will be, the name is big also, then also no problem. So that is the thing. So d1 is keys is actually what? This is for accessing accessing keys of the dictionary. Okay, that is the purpose, keys of the dictionary. All right, that is the thing. So why the documentation has been done? It is in order to make you understand what is actually the purpose of the comment. Okay, so that is the thing. So now print n name and net salary. These are the two columns, and for I in L we are giving the net salary equals to 0, because net salary is the one that is becoming every time 0, otherwise it will be merged with the salary of the other employee. That's why it is making all the time 0. Okay, this is actually the initialization. Okay, initialization. Okay, that is the thing, initialization. Okay, and then Z equals to, we are taking di. I means from the ith index that particular key will be extracted. Okay, now for J in Z means the values will be iterated right now. That is the thing. So this is actually a nesting concept has been used out here. Okay, J in Z, and then net cell equals to net cell plus J, and then what has been printed, print I, and then slash t once again, net cell will be printed to the corresponding columns. Okay, that is the thing. So the name and net salary has been shown out here in this way. Fine, so let us execute this program and then see what are the outcome of this particular program. So we will take only 3 or 4 employees. Okay, maximum 4 employees we will take. Okay, so you can take more employees, but it will take time to enter the data. Okay, so I'm taking 4 employees in this case. Say I'm giving out here John. Okay, John. Okay, so John is getting 30,000 as the basic salary. HRA is house rent allowance 4 and 500 is the convenience allowance. All right, that is the thing. So then say Jagriti. Okay, Jagriti. Okay, so the basic salary is 50,000, and then this thing house rent is getting 6,000, and then the convenience allowance is getting 900. Fine. So and the third one is say Kia. Okay, Kia is getting say 50,000 as the salary. Her house rent is 7,000. Okay, and then say is getting 800 as the convenience allowance, and then say here it is I'm giving say Ashok. Okay, sorry, ASH. Okay, Ashok. Okay, Ashok is getting 40,000 as the salary. Okay, and is getting the 3,000 as the house rent. Okay, and the 800 as the 900 as the convenience allowance. Okay, you see it has been easily printed out here. So because this is a little bit bigger, that is why the thing has come over here. Okay, it's supposed to come over this side. Okay, that is the thing. So in this way the output will be coming. Now if you calculate anything out here, you can easily understand. Okay, so 40,000, 43,900. So 43,900 has come. So it is what you call correct for the last record as well as for the all other records also. You can check it out, you can verify out. Okay, so it is 57,800 and all. So in this way what will happen, you will be able to calculate, the gross salary, okay, when other three elements of the salary have been given. So you can take an example, you can enter the subject marks of 5 subject marks of any student, and easily you can also print it. Okay, sum it out and you can find out the average, you can find out the grade, whatnot. Okay, so a lot of things can be done with this. Okay, so this is actually the iteration in the dictionary that has also been simulated over here. Okay, such a thing. So here you are entering the data. This is that there are two parts. One part you are entering the data, in another part you are displaying and computing the data. Okay, so whatever you have entered. Okay, that is the thing. So now I'm closing and going to the another program right now. Okay, so now let's see another program. So what is the thing? Yes. Okay, so what is this actually been said here? The searching is also has been done. Calculate the salary and search. Okay, for a particular. Okay, sorry, particular. Okay, particular employee. Okay, that is also being done. Employee. Okay, that is the thing. So now you see out here. Okay, so similarly you can see out here the last program what we have done, we have taken the dictionary by giving the dict command. Okay, so here we have taken in this way. If you want to see, I can show you the last program. Okay, so that is the salary. Okay, so you see out here, here we have taken the dict in this way, and here we have taken the dict in this way. Both are actually depicting that how to take the empty dictionary. Okay, so you are initializing an empty dictionary under the variable d1 of type dictionary. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so empty dictionary can be created in these two ways. Fine, so that is the thing. Clear? So now let us come over here and say di equals to 1, f equals to 0, and int input enter number of employees. Okay, that is the thing. So while I is less than or equals to n, you can give it in this way. You are entering the similar thing out here. So like the last program, only the module I have approached out here, that is this module, the searching module. Okay, enter the name to be searched. The first program we have seen up to here. Okay, so at the print and the net salary it was printing. Now it will also help you to search within the dictionary for a particular record. If it is there, it will show you fine. Otherwise it will not display an error message, the employee does not exist, or certain relevant error message. Fine. So for I in L, if I equals x, then f equals to 1, net cell 0. Okay, this is already there. So what is f actually? F is actually, if the record has been found in the beginning, only I have taken f equals to 0. This is actually checking the status of the employee. Okay, checking the status. Okay, status of the employee. Okay, employee means like availability or the non-availability, whatsoever it may be. Okay, that is the thing, availability or non-availability. Fine. So that is the thing. If it is available, f will change into 1, and if it is unavailable, in that case f will remain as 0. So in this way we are just restricting it from printing all other kinds of data. Okay, so it will not be displayed. So if it is nothing is there, in that case if we are not giving this portion, then what will happen? Nothing will be displayed. So user will be confused, or those who are using the program will be confused. What happened in this one? Because they don't know. Okay, so they will see that we have not given, but nothing has been printed, that they will see. Okay, they will understand it, but if you are giving some message, that will may disperse their confusion. Okay, so in this way we will just try to do it. Okay, so similar thing, I equals to x, for I in L we are finding among the keys, because L has been taken out here, d1 keys. Okay, d1 dot keys. So L is accessing the keys. So when we are iterating through the keys of the dictionary, then in that case I equals x, whenever it is matching the searched name, then it is, if it is found, then f is changing its status from 0 to 1. All right, so that means, okay, employee available. Okay, employee in this case available. Okay, available. Fine. Then net cell equals to 0. Okay, then for j in z, it is now going through the particular thing. It is summed up like last program only. Okay, so here also the same thing I have used. You can see out here this one, net cell plus j. The similar portion has been used out here, but here we are searching and net salary has been printed. So when the particular key has been taken for j in z, okay, that is the thing. Okay, z equals to di we have taken. Okay, d1 I, for j in z we have taken out here. The net cell equals to, okay, what is that thing has been taken? It has been taken like this. Hmm, like this, net cell equals to net cell plus j. So the corresponding keys, okay, for here actually what is happening, the rest of the values in the under the particular key also has been added, and printx net cell is net cell, and then we are taking the break. Okay, that is the thing. So you want to do the once the record has been found, afterwards no more search. Okay, that is the thing. Clear? Okay, so in this way we can find out the we can search the employee. So let us execute it once and let us see what how these things are being happening. Okay, now say click on OK. So we are just going through it. Let's see now what is the thing actually. Okay, so now see here it will come, enter the name to be searched. Okay, so I am giving out here, say the name, say Amar. Okay, Amarjit. Okay, I am giving, Amarjit is getting, sorry, enter, sorry, I have just the wrong execution it has become. Okay, so I have given by mistake the name of the employee. I have to enter first the number of records that I want to be. So I want this 4 records. Okay, so now say Amarjit, I'll write, sorry, Amarjit is getting 60,000 and getting the 6,000 as the house rent and 600 as the convenience allowance. Okay, Rajat is getting 50,000. Okay, then 5,000 as the house rent and 500 as the convenience allowance, and enter the name employee something, say John is getting say 45,000. Okay, so getting 4,500 as the house rent and 500 as the this thing. Okay, and the name of the employee Sumi. Okay, Sumi is getting 60,000 salary, basic salary, house rent allowance 5,500. Okay, and the 400 is the convenience allowance. Okay, so that is the thing. So now the enter the name to be searched. Okay, so I am searching from Johan. Okay, Johan. Okay, so now Johan is getting 65,900. Okay, that is the thing. Clear? So that is the thing. So now here what is happening? Okay, here Amarjit is 66,000. There is something problem. Rajat 55,000 and the Johan is getting 50,000. Okay, and then Sumi is getting 65,900. So the program to be bit changed here little bit. Okay, so here, okay, we had not taken here z equals to di. I think z equals to d of I we have to take. Okay, that is the thing. Di we have to take out here, not here actually. Net cell equals to 0. In that case here net cell has to be 0, net cell has to be 0 out here, and then z equals to di. Okay, has to be taken, and here, okay, we will have it like this. Let's see now. Run the programs, run module, and then say click on OK. So I'll just take this time 3 records. Okay, and check out whether it is existing or not. Okay, so no, this is, sorry, here. Okay, so now let us execute this particular program and run module and click on OK. So now let us see what is the problem. Okay, 3 records we are entering. Ashit, okay, 50,000. Okay, 5,000. Okay, and 500. Okay, Rajat, and then say 65,000. Okay, 6,000 and say 500, and then say Sumi, and then say his basic salary is Sumit, basic salary is say 60,000. Okay, getting 7,000 as the house rent and 600 as the this thing. Okay, so enter the name to be say Rajat. Okay, Rajat. Okay, D1I. So there is some problem. It will be D1. Okay, D1. Okay, for J and Z. Okay, that is the thing. So run module. Okay, let us see once. It takes time in execution, you know. Okay, that is the thing. So we are just doing it. Okay, enter the name of the employee. Say 3 employee Rajat. Okay, 50,000, and then say 6,600. Okay, say John is getting 60,000, 4,000 and 500. Okay, and then say Sumit is getting 50,000, and then say 5,000, and then say 500. Okay, so you are signing for Rajat. Okay, John, John, John. Okay, John, their salary is 64,500. Now it is fine. Okay, so that time those commands has not been introduced, that's why it is coming problem. If you want to see the other things to be, and which the name does not exist, okay, that one also can be displayed. Okay, how? First of all, you give the things out here. So 3 employees are there. So Rajat, okay, Rajat 50,000 is getting 500, 5,000 and then 500. Okay, that is the thing. So and then say Sumit is getting say 6,000. Okay, 6,000 and then 600. Okay, and then say Ramu. Okay, say Ramu is getting 45,000 and 4,500, and then say 500. Fine, that is the thing. So now say I'm entering say John. Okay, John is not available in the list. Okay, so employee does not employee has not been found, name of the employee has not been found. Okay, that error message is displaying. So in this way, so sometimes if the problem comes in the in your program, so you can search it, as you can solve it in this way only. Okay, by giving these things over here. Okay, so this is actually the correct version of the program, and here you are entering up to here is fine. After that, this particular module has been added in order to search the particular employee from the list available. If you want to see one more set of execution, that also I can show you. Okay, so in this way you see out here, so different set of data you can test. Okay, I can take out 4 records out here. Say Ashit. Okay, Ashit getting 50,000 and 6,000 and 600. Okay, sorry. Okay, Ramu. Okay, Ramu. Okay, so salary is 55,000, 50,000, 5,000 is the house rent, 600, and say John. Okay, John is getting how much? John is getting say as basic salary say 30,000. Okay, so and then say 4,000 and then say 500. Okay, and Rajat. Okay, Rajat has not been given Rajat, and then say 45,000 and then say 6,000 and then say 600. Now the name to be searched out here. So I am want to searching the Ashit Rajat out here. Rajat, are JT Rajat out here. Okay, 51,600. So correctly it has been executed. Okay, so this program. Okay, so last time we had seen that there was certain problem was coming because it was showing just the next data, but this has been solved just by entering this particular portion out here. So what is the things that time we had forgotten to take the key of the dictionary, and which key the program cannot understand, so it was just giving some arbitrary value. Okay, that is the thing. So that is why this thing has been added after what the program has been solved. Okay, the problem has been solved. So in this way you will also learn how to write the programs and how to solve it. Okay, and if there is any error causes. Okay, that is the thing. All right students, thank you. In my next video tutorial I will give you some more programs. Okay, that is the thing. Thank you very much and stay safe.